Going to have a quick look at some scalping for you. You've got a couple of minutes to go till this race. The first thing you notice when you open the ladder is that two horses are going down. One is drifting and the favourite over there is fairly flat. This third favourite is sitting right at the bottom of its range here at 4.7. It looks to have levelled out, as you can see by the matchsticks there. So I'm going to go and have a lay at 4.7, going at 4.8. You see the money on the first and second favourites below them is quite solid, so neither of those should drop down too rapidly, but I'm liking the look of this third favourite over here because there's good money behind it. You see there's 1200 at 4.5 and there's 900 at 4.6, so I can just jump in there at 4.7 or 4.6 knowing there's 1100, 700 and 300 below that. So I'm just in there at 4.6, just looking for one tick scalps, just showing you how it works and how quick it can work with the BetTrader software. And I move my mouse back over to the 4.6 and I just watch that 4.7 money. It's gone and I click. Now I move my mouse back to 4.7 and I'm just watching at 4.6. And as soon as that money disappears, or a quicker way is go and get the tick offset tool, set it to 1 and activate it. Now any bet that I place will automatically offset and hedge for me. So I'll show you that in a second. So I just got to get this one out manually because I didn't have it set when I place the bet. Now if I bet at 4.6, it will automatically offset, there you go, at 4.7, and you see it only places a bet at 48.94 because it's hedging for me. So it's just a way of doing three things with one bet really. So we'll just keep an eye on this. And we're watching that money disappear at 4.7, and you've got your mouse in position, bang, in you go for £50 at 4.6. And as soon as that's matched, it will automatically offset at 4.7. It only needs 1% of the bet to be matched to start triggering. So if we only get 50% matched, it will just offset 50%. You don't have to wait for the whole bet to be matched. So they're just about to get started here, so I don't know if I'll get this one done. They're just taking a turn once they start coming in. If you're a pre-race trader, you want to be out now. So yeah, they're coming in, so we'll just go and hedge out of that. £5.25, cancel that 50, and that's the job done. Okay, so there's just how to make, you know, a few pound. Couple of minutes before the race, we've done a few little scalps there. £5.25, and we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 one tick trades and an exit at 4.8 to hedge it.